Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this sub-series, we will learn about ASP.NET Form Authentication. We will also see set of controls provided by the ASP.NET for doing the form authentication. Websites are available for public access. That means any user with internet access can get into the website. So that's why it is for all the users all over the world. So we call that as public access. User with internet connection able to access the web application. That means any user can access the website. So who can log in? What can they do after login is dealt by the web security. Since we are providing the public access, we can restrict the user to do certain tasks only in the website. So if we need to do such a restriction, then we need to allow the login. Once a user authenticates, then we can state what they can do with their login credential inside the website. Who can log in is called authentication. A simple example will be there will be a username and password. With that, a user can log into the website. Once they log in, we can call the user is authenticated to the website. What permission logged in user have with the resource is called authorization. So first a user will log in. So we can call this as a logged in user or login user. Once user logs in, based on his user credential, we will provide access to various resources. Say a user is logging into a music web store and they can hear a online music. Let's say that there is a specific user purchased some of the music store and the fifth user he purchased other set of music. So based on the logged in user, we will come to know what resource is available for user 3 and what resources are available for user 5. ASP.NET provides various tools to implement security for your website. So various tools in the sense here ASP.NET provides a set of controls. In this sub-series, we will look into form authentication and login control sets. Login control sets in the sense in the toolbox itself you can see a login, and once you expand it you will see set of controls, and we call that as login control set. Using that you can perform form authentication. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.